together, write names in stone in honor of all those we've lost. 21 guns break a mother's heart. With tear-filled eyes, we count the cost. All the children and loved ones must now carry on. God help them to be strong. I raise my voice and honor those who laid down their lives, who answered the call, and freedom